I remember it.
Gallery. I went to Little Tokyo today on my lunch break, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Hello Kitty matcha green tea flavor wafers. I picked these snacks because I'm gonna do some illustrations from the packaging. These I have no clue what's really inside. I think it's a biscuit with chocolate. Yeah, a biscuit with chocolate. And then I got another one of the same kind, but a different graphic, because I want to do some illustrations with these graphics. I'm gonna try them. And then I think these are strawberry chocolates. I really liked the graphics on this. They're not Hello Kitty, so these were just for fun. I think they're strawberry chocolates. These are chocolates. It's just kind of disappointing. I thought maybe it'd be like Pocky. You better pay attention to the road, Brian. These I've had before, but the strawberry version. This is matcha. Should we try these next, or these? There's the popo. How do you? Oh my god! She's on the wrapper. Pay attention to the road. I'm gonna make you get into another accident. It's really bitter.
Also known as ED shots. RCT uses a potent blend of FDA-approved medications specifically formulated to restore healthy blood flow where you need it most.
It's extremely bitter, huh?
It works for 98%.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about the lead.
Oh, Dad's up front. Up.
You see your whole face getting red. Hey, don't hit.
Up to its ass in fines and facing existential threat. Yo.
Yum.
You know.
wanted to get one of those. Like $1,200. They look pretty cool.
He's carrying a dog.
I thought they'd go faster. It doesn't seem that fast. Maybe they don't have it like put to go that fast. We shouldn't be giving a dog a bunch of drugs. It's too small. Oh, that's what you're putting in your mouth? Little girls in the surf too.
Where? He's scratching his leg. What is he gonna do when he gets closer to the rocks? Like, I don't get it. How is he gonna know how to stop? So, from San Juan Capistrano, Little Hall, Strands Knitting Studio. These were in a clearance bin. Originally $14.99. This is Camorebe, 100% U, made in Spain, 50% wool, 25% cotton, 15% polyamide, 10% mohair. And it was 40% off. I thought it was super fuzzy. What I want to do with this is use it for trim and sewing together. I really didn't know what to get, but I knew I wanted to support the knitting studio, so of course I'm gravitating towards the Noro section. $12.69, World of Nature, made in Japan. Carry-on Noro, 100% wool, I think. Yeah, 100% wool. The lady told me that it's self-striping. So I got the same yarn, but 3 different colors, 3 different variations. And essentially what I want to do is with the Noro and this fuzzy little mohair moment, I want to make a granny square, a mini granny square cat hat. So the granny squares will be with this wool Noro. I want to do essentially 2 panels, 9 mini granny squares in each panel, front and back, and then each little granny square has this mohair trim, and then the hat's sewn together with this mohair as well, so it's super fuzzy.
No, really. Yeah, it's actually kind of like right around here. Yeah, it was not far. I've been thinking about that a lot actually. Dad was drunk. I don't know why you wouldn't have been.
Oh, this will be fine. We're not gonna go fast. We're gonna go slow and it won't be scary at all.
Any members of mattress? Oh my god. What do you want? When we die? Right. No, I know you asked me that before. I what to be dead. What do you want? What? Oh.